This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Mapo Tofu.
My Busy Daddy Cooks.
Mapo Tofu is a classic Sichuanese dish that's really quick and simple to make. Spoon it over rice and you'll have a tasty dinner in a bowl. We start by toasting 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns in a hot and dry wok till it's fragrant. Remove and pound it. You can use a spice grinder to do this as well. Next, in a bowl, grate 2 cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of preserved black beans and roughly mash it. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. These ingredients altogether are essentially the same as my black bean sauce recipe. So if you have already made some, just use 1.5 teaspoons of it. I've also included the link to making your own preserved black bean sauce below. In a hot pan, heat up 3 tablespoons of oil and fry 100 grams of ground meat. The original recipe uses minced beef, but you can use chicken or pork instead. I'm using pork here. When the meat is about cooked, push it aside and fry the black bean paste. Add 2 tablespoons of spicy broad bean paste or doubanjiang and fry it till it's fragrant. Mine comes in a bottle like this, but there are various other brands out there. Mix the meat and the aromatics together. Then add 200 ml of water or chicken stock. At this point, you should taste and adjust the seasoning. Slightly thicken the sauce with a cornstarch slurry by mixing together 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water. Now, gently add in 1 block of soft tofu that has been cut into 1-inch cubes. Use soft tofu rather than the silken tofu. Silken tofu is a bit too soft and it breaks up really easily. Let the mixture simmer for about 2 minutes to let the tofu absorb some of the flavor. Sprinkle some of the Sichuan peppercorn onto the dish. Use as much or as little as you prefer. Mapo Tofu. Thanks for watching Busy Daddy Cooks. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You may also want to check out some of my other quick and easy recipes.
Please subscribe to my daddy's channel.